Behind us is a lot of boats. We're at the Nashville Boat Show today, right in downtown at the Music City Center. Let's get into this. Let's check out some sweet boats. Starcraft boats. That one there is cool. Very cool. $80,000 for the 250. Very cool. Nice layout, can fit a lot of people. Tons of boats here. I like this color. What do you guys think about the teal?
That's the weird part to it. It's gonna make so much noise going down the water.
I think that's what we need, guys. There's some bass boats going fishing, Rangers. Yamaha 275 SE. Only $285 a month, $30,000 for this Tahoe. If I ever make it to Florida, I'll get one of these. Let's go up on this one. I don't know how to say it. Ooh, comfortable. Ooh. I like the color. All these fold down, they have a cup holder, so you can just hang out, relax. A big pontoon boat. Wood grain looking floors. Surf with an LS4. All right, this is calling for me. I'm all about electric stuff and being on the water with an electric ride. Let's check these out. These are sweet. One of my favorite boats of all time, Corvette boat. There it is. This thing's a classic and a beauty. Kayak practice for the kids, that's pretty cool. Not my style, I need a motor. Here we go, Malibus.
M-Series boat. Pretty much the same as, say, a 23 MXZ, so you get that little upgraded, fully upgraded features of an M-Series. They kind of run the same. Yeah.
It's like a pearl sparkle color, red, white, and blue access boat. Very nice.
Yes, sir.
So many boats here. Expensive, let me tell you, but if you got the money, get one. They're awesome. Don't forget, you guys, if you're liking this stuff, check out some other videos after, and we would love if you hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me your favorite boat. The water skiing chipmunk will be performing here. He's probably sleeping right now. No, he's in. Hold him right now.
All right.
Ramps to pull your boat up on and your jet skis. From Wave Armor. Let's think about that color Muma. That is sharp. Like to paint too in most cars. Very nice hairs. Cool color bank pen. All digital dashboard now. White rack. See it on the back, that's cool. You're fine. Foldable e-bikes. Stay tuned, we got e-bike series coming. Well, that That's it from the Nashville Boat Show. Hope you enjoyed the video. You stayed to the end. Would love your support and subscribe. Don't forget, check out one of the videos on the left and right hand side of the screen. We'll be back for more. Keep exploring.